To customize the lock screen on the Redmi Note 14 Pro, start by opening settings. Then you have to scroll for wallpaper and personalization. And right here, just go into lock style. So first of all, you can actually change the lock screen theme, and we can actually find a lot of different lock styles. So let's say that I want to get this one. I have to tap on it, and here I can still customize it. So if I'm gonna tap here, I can add some widgets, or for example, I can add text into the lock screen and even change, where it will be aligned. There we go. Now, if I'm gonna click outside, I can switch for some other options. So here I can change position of my clock. Here I can change color of my clock and of the text. There we go. That's how it actually looks. And according to different, things, like we can here add some effects. Take a look. And also we can change wallpaper. And when you pinch like this, take a look, we can make it this wallpaper a little bit smaller or bigger, and we can just click apply, for example. There's actually a lot of things that you can customize on this lock screen. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like.